Hi guys! Welcome back to Franchise Republic, your franchise business central hub. In this video, we are going to feature the Kapitan Cafe franchise business ideas. The Kapitan Cafe is a Filipino-owned corporation that is determined to bring cheap-looking food trucks across the Philippines. Their commitment to excellent products and services, corporate social responsibility, and support for local farmers makes them a brand that Filipinos can be proud of. At the Kapitan, they know that great coffee is more than just a drink, it's a way of life. That's why they live by their slogan, which celebrates the art of coffee making and the joy of sharing it with others. Have the best cup. Their mission: the Kapitan is to provide great coffee and opportunities to every individual they come across, whether it be their customers or suppliers. They believe that everyone deserves a chance to experience their exceptional products and to benefit from the growth opportunities they can provide. Their vision: they envision themselves as one of the most sought-after coffees in the Philippines. They aim to be the go-to choice for coffee lovers who value high-quality products and excellent customer service. They want to be known not just for their delicious coffee, but also for the unique experience they provide to their customers. The Kapitan values: knowledgeable, authenticity, passionate, excellence, teamwork, approachable, and nurturing. The Kapitan products. The Kapitan Cafe is a Filipino-owned coffee business offering a wide array of coffee variants and delectable pastries. At the Kapitan, they believe that great coffee should be accessible to everyone. That's why they offer affordably priced coffee made from high-quality beans sourced from local farmers and brewed by their skilled baristas. Their menu also includes a range of delicious traditional Filipino desserts like bibingka and other kakanin that are perfect for satisfying any cravings. The Kapitan product menu. They offer blue latte, hazelnut mocha latte, matcha latte, white chocolate mocha, cafe mocha, cafe butterscotch, brewed coffee, cappuccino, cafe latte, cafe americano, caramel macchiato, Oreo coffee blend, matcha blend, red velvet coffee blend, hazelnut mocha blend, caramel mocha blend, and butterscotch mocha blend. Their target market. Their target market are students, young professionals, and anyone who loves coffee. They cater to anyone who wants a fun and memorable coffee experience, complete with artisan-crafted drinks and desserts. Their long-term plan. Their long-term plan is to expand their reach through franchising, bringing the unique Kapitan experience to more people across the country. They aim to create a community of Kapitan cafes that share their commitment to quality and affordability. Their corporate social responsibility. The Kapitan Cafe believes in giving back to the community. As part of their corporate social responsibility, the company plans to regularly participate in feeding programs and other charitable activities. They also support local farmers by sourcing their ingredients from them, helping to boost the Philippine agricultural industry. Why franchise with the Kapitan? Dedicated to quality. They pride themselves on providing organic, fair trade tea and coffee. They work with local dairy suppliers and bakeries to source the freshest, highest quality offerings. Stay a while. Sunny days guarantee that their patio will be full of guests enjoying a drink of treat. Modern drinks. Although they offer a wide variety of hot and iced drinks, they also provide savory and sweet food options. So whether you're stopping for your morning coffee, lunch, or an afternoon snack, they've got you covered. The Kapitan's Mobile Cafe. Starting at just 4,999 pesos, their mobile cafe package offers exceptional value without compromising on quality or service. Their professional and friendly staff are dedicated to ensuring that every aspect of your event runs smoothly, from setup to cleanup, allowing you to relax and enjoy the festivities with peace of mind. Their package is designed to cater to gatherings of all sizes, ensuring that every guest is treated to a premium coffee experience with a minimum serving of 100 cups of combined hot and cold coffee beverages. Their skilled baristas expertly brew a selection of aromatic coffees, creamy lattes, refreshing iced coffees, and more, using only the finest beans sourced out from around the world. For the franchise packages, they have basic kiosk, which is worth 150,000 pesos. Mall kiosk, which is worth 350,000 pesos. Ship trailer, which is cost 550,000 pesos. And full cafe, which is cost 1 million up. For the contact details, please contact the Capitan Cafe Incorporated with the address 65 Kapiligan, Gregorio Araneta Avenue, Quezon City, Metro Manila, Philippines. You may contact their telephone number at 0287112487. You can also send an email at franchise@thekapetan.com or admin@thekapetan.com. You can also visit their website at www.thekapetan.com. What are you waiting for? Start your business with the Kapitan Cafe franchise business today. Thank you for watching. Hope you like this video. Please continue to support our channel. Please subscribe, like, and share this video for you to be informed on our next educational videos here at Franchise Republic, your franchise business central hub.